Hello, cruise family. If you're going to be on board the Grandeur of the Seas, only the balconies and above have these mini fridge coolers. The rest of the staterooms don't have any type of refrigerator or cooler, but you can request one. Like in this next one, this is a tabletop cooler you can ask your stateroom attendant for. It plugs in and it gets ice cold. You just have to request it from your room attendant and they can bring it to you. It worked really well. I put a bottle of water in there and it almost froze it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.